Right. Since the start of this term, which begins April, the Manchester Community Safety and Security Branch staff have been invited to participate and share in a number of career days activities right across the parish of Manchester, seeing that the Community Safety and Security Branch has responsibility in treating with schools activities and other community related activities. So the team have been visiting schools, doing presentations and sharing in career day activities in most of the primary and infant school across the parish. Having gone to a number of schools, we have realized that the parents who have their children showcasing the career of police and soldiers, they have embarked on buying some imitation firearms, which of course looks like real firearms, and are giving these children to take as part of the paraphernalia of the police and soldiers to these career days activities. Some of the schools have expressed concerns with children taking these weapons to the institutions. We having gone to the schools, we have embarked on seizing these firearms because, as you can see, you can hardly differentiate a real weapon from some of these imitation firearms. Yes, it is an offense. Under the Firearm Prohibited Restriction and Regulation Act of 2022, a firearm is defined as any barrel weapon which is discharged or is designed to discharge any shot, bullet, or projectile. It also includes any such weapon carried as a 3D printed weapon or otherwise created through the use of electronic software. And as it relates to the prohibited weapon, it means any prohibited firearm, any grenade, bomb, or other like missile, any missile or missile launcher, any imitation of any weapon or devices. Section 5.1 of the speaks to the position of prohibited weapon. No person shall be in possession of prohibited weapon. A person who contravenes subsection 1, that speaks to persons being in possession of prohibited weapon, commits a felony, and this can attract a fine, not a fine. Any person who contravenes subsection 1, no person shall be in possession of a prohibited weapon, can be sentenced to imprisonment for up to 15 years in a circuit court or 25 years.
All right, so going back to the point now of parents and their children, what is your message to parents in relation to the purchase of these imitation weapons or tie guns?
I will encourage parents to desist from buying these weapons because it is an offense to be caught in possession of these, and it is not fair to the children because these are very young children who are under the age to be in possession of these imitation weapons. So I will encourage parents